So hello fellow coin collectors, how you going? This is Glenn, and today, well, we're going to have a look at the largest copper coins I've actually come across. And these are Papal States 5 Baiocchi, so as you can see, 5 Baiocchi, 1850 and 1852. And these coins were actually in circulation, so if I take a coin out, that is one of the largest coins in circulation now, the Australian 50-cent coin. It's not the largest coin, it's just one of them. As you can see, people think that this coin is actually a bit too big, but imagine using a coin like this. It is very, very large and quite heavy, especially if you've got two. You can actually use these as weapons. If you throw it at someone, it can actually do a lot of damage. Okay, so these coins were introduced in 1849, so this is just the second year of issue, and these, as well as all the other denominations, were part of the currency reform of 1835, which actually removed odd denominations from circulation. So a lot of people also think that the United States issued the first decimal currency of $1 equals 100 cents, but no, that's not the case. So since 1588, so 1588, the Papal States has issued a currency of 1 scudo equals 100 Baiocchi. And as you can see, this is a 5. It was a coin that was in a odd type of valuation, like the pound equals 20 shillings each shilling equals 12 pence, so 240 pence equals 1 pound. Then you probably wouldn't have this denomination. And 1 Baiocchi equals 5 quattrini. And between 1588 and 1835, they actually had odd denominations based on either the Baiocchi or the a multiplication or a division of the scudo. So this is one of the earliest decimal currencies. It's probably not the only one, but Russia also predates the United States in decimalizing their currency. I can't remember that date offhand, but when I get some Dengo coins, I'll actually make a video on them. So this coin here was minted between 1849 and 1954. Obviously only 5 years, most likely is because they are 42 grams and around 40 millimeters, so they would not have been popular. And a lot of these coins you can see are actually in this grade, so probably very fine. And you can see they also have a lot of mint errors. So this looks like it's got scratches on it, but it also looks like the actual coin's been stamped over top. So there's something wrong with the metal content. You can see the die crack also on this coin. These coins are large, and because they're made of copper, they do tend to have a lot of problems with the actual metal, so the flan. I don't see that many problems with the actual die, although this one might have a metal flan floor. So there's lots of little cracks you can see up here, as well as here going through the P, and it's probably the technology at the time had problems with refining the actual metal in them. And another thing you'll need to know is that every year, so you got a 1852, you got a date on it, because this is Pius IX, Pontifex Maximus Anno. So the year of his reign, this is 5, and this one is year 7. So the first reign of Pius IX was 1846. So if we look at 1850, that is the 5th year, and that will be after the 16th of June. So 16th of June. So before 16th of June 1950, there will be NO4, and after 16th of June 1850 should I say, there will be NO5. So the date changes actually on the 16th of June every year. So this one is 1852, and so this one would be the later half of the year because it's got NO7. And as you can see with these two coins, you have the small coat of arms, so the small coat of arms and the large coat of arms. The small coat of arms was issued only in 1849 and 1850, and the large coat of arms was issued in 1850 to 1854. So in 1850 you actually got 4 different coins. You have NO4, NO5, and you also have these 2 coat of arms. And if you look at the coat of arms, actually quite nice. I like to collect these Papal States coins and the Vatican coins because each time a new Pope takes office, he actually changes the coat of arms. So this is the Vatican coat of arms, so it has his headdress and 2 keys. And this is the personal coat of arms of the actual Pope, which they put on top of it. And each time a Pope comes about, a new one, they actually change his coat of arms. So this one is lions and some stripes. I'm not too sure what colour it is. It's actually a bit hard to find out about these coat of arms on these Papal States coinage. So what are the mintages of these coins? Another thing you need to know is that they do have mint marks. This says R for Rome. You do have B for Bologna. And this coin here actually has a mintage included with NO4 of 10,164,000. And for this coin, you'll probably be paying at least $50 in this condition. So they're actually not a cheap coin to actually get. And if you want the 1849, which are actually lower minted, you'll be paying way more money. Probably at least $100 to $200 just for a coin in this condition, because they're actually a lot harder to get. For the second issue, this is probably the highest minted coin, 1852 R. There's 9,746,000, and you'll be paying similar prices to that, so about $50 in this condition. Actually, this condition's a bit better, so probably between 50 and 100. So really not a cheap coin to get. So if you're into collecting large bronze coins, you'll be paying a lot of money. Like I'm trying to get a Egyptian Ptolemy large bronze coin, and they're actually very expensive, so I need to save up for that. And they are actually nice to actually get. The 1949 is actually the lowest mintage you can get, and they also issued silver coins along with these. They're only 1.35 grams, 17 millimeters, so a bit smaller, but those coins are actually a lot harder to get because, like 1849, they only issued 21,276. In the highest minted that I can see is 1847, 23,000. So actually a lot harder to actually get. I don't see many high minted silver coins. So, and these would have been withdrawn in 1865 when they actually issued the lira. So most of Italy at the time actually used the lira, and they actually reduced the coins quite a lot. So these large bronze copper coins, should I say, were no longer issued. So I hope this helped you out with Papal States, because this is really a good area to collect in. Actually quite a nice design as well. Lots of Christian motifs. And please, I'll leave a link down below to Papal States coinage, and just have a nice awesome coin collecting time, people. Thank you, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and take care. Bye bye.